Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana has a 5-wave move up off the lows in the middle. It came into the middle of our support area, turning around at the moment potentially. And I'm going to take the additional low now off the chart. Now I cannot fully rule it out, but it would be a different count then if we get one more low. It wouldn't be a 4 and a 5. It would just be an extended, maybe an A wave, a B wave, or WXY. Yeah. But for now, I'm taking it off the chart. And it will depend, however, on the situation. Are we going to hold now a higher low when we come down? So it's moving up in what you could consider a diagonal, not an impulse. So it would have to be a diagonal count. Again, diagonals are less reliable, which would which means that we need to see proof when it comes down. So we can count this carefully now as a complete diagonal. Yeah, even the wave 5 has an ABC. Sometimes you see an overshoot above the upper trend line before it's coming down. And don't underestimate altcoins, they can even rally much stronger. But so for now, there is no indication of a top in place. Next resistance would be 23.56. That's a key one, absolute key one. Above that, we've got 25.30 starting resistance there. But I'm now starting to count this as a wave 1 to the upside. And then we need to understand what is the level it needs to hold in the wave 2. That's, as you would typically expect, the 78.6 retrace. So it should hold 1730, which doesn't mean it needs to hold it. Yeah, if it breaks, it will make another low in our green support area, and that could be another entry point. So by the way, anybody who missed any entries here, that might provide another one. Now, it's your decision if you take this, yeah, because there's no guarantee anything's going to work out. Markets are far too dynamic, but it's another low risk, high reward entry point, in my opinion, for a trade of a third wave, maybe even a trade of a third of a third. So, but it needs to hold 1730. In a diagonal, that's always higher risk, because a diagonal, first of all, when it breaks to the downside, it can come down quite deep, possibly to the 78.6 retracement, which would be $17.30. But if that holds, it can set it up for a third wave rally. It depends a little bit on how does the decline look like. Is it going to be a crash, you know? Is it going to be a, let's say, an impulse down? Or can we see really a corrective structure to the downside? If we see a corrective structure to the downside, that indicates an ABC, and it would provide better confidence for a third wave trade. But that's ultimately the level that needs to hold, measured based on the latest high. Now that support area will change based on how high we actually go. Okay, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.